Can you play using F sharp key? Yes, I can. There's a lot going on. Maybe you're gonna do C sharp. That's how I learned songs. I learned them with the original key, then I changed it to fit my voice because some keys are just a bit too high pitched for my voice. Hence, I normally play with the key of C. Is TikTok paying you because you're doing it? No, I'm not getting paid. But you know how I would get paid? If you guys go and stream my music. I get the bag. If you guys go like and stream my music, I'm like, yeah. And also, if you guys make sure to like go to my YouTube, I'd get paid if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook that I like recently started. And yeah, that's all I have, right? Yeah, TikTok village, send young follower. Shout out to you guys for that. I thank you. And I've been so inconsistent, but you guys are still blowing up that vibes and my content. Shout out to you guys, Shane, for real. Should I inbox? Seems like you can inbox me and tell me what you need from me, and if I can assist you, I think I will be able to. Hi, what's your YouTube channel? Kayla Praise. Kayla with spelled with Kayla. Let me put it on here for you guys. Can I put it on the phone? So this is like my YouTube channel. You know, just Kayla Praise. You'll see my visualizer Nyana for forever, and then my first song, and then Angela, my 2 songs. You guys go and subscribe. We are sitting on 235 subscribers. Yeah, we could get to 280 even if all of you on this live go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and you follow my Instagram. Where to stream your music? You can stream my music on any platform: Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. And also there's like babies, and I have a link on my bio. You can just press that link. It will show you all the platforms you can find my song, and you can just go press and listen to it. Yes, please sing one song. I'll sing for you guys one song before I go. Yeah, I'll sing for you guys before I go, of which I'm gonna go now. So let me do, and then I'll play a song for you guys. Let's go. I think yeah guys, no, listen, I will try to be consistent. Now I'm juggling school and music, both parts. Shame. I'll make sure to post at least twice a week. Yeah, I'll try my level best to do that. Happy birthday, Kayla. Thank you, below. What's the name? Milkshake. Happy birthday. Thank you. Ghost. Bye guys. I'll see you guys later when I post. Love you guys. Number 1 1 Bye.